Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. NIK NIKAM and welcome to Triple N Talk Show. This is February 14, 2016. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Just yesterday, Supreme Court Judge Antonin Scalia passed away in West Texas from natural causes. The debate has already moved on to who is going to be nominated as the replacement for Judge Antonin Scalia for the Supreme Court position. President Obama has said that he would like to exercise his constitutional obligation and nominate someone in due course. On the other side, the Republicans are strongly arguing that for the past 80 years, there has never been a nomination or a confirmation during the last term of a sitting president. The Republicans argue that the next Supreme Court judge should be nominated by the incoming president, and the people of the United States should have a say as to what kind of judge they would like to see in the Supreme Court. Well, I guess this argument is going to continue until the elections. For the Republican Senate majority not to approve an appointed Supreme Court judge, an appointed Supreme Court judge may in fact backfire in the election. So we'll see how it works out. But more importantly, I would like to talk about a couple of names that have been circulating in the news media as to who possibly could be an appropriate replacement for Judge Antonin Scalia, who passed away yesterday. One such name which I would like to discuss is SRINIVASAN, who is a sitting judge on U.S. District Court Appeals in the District of Columbia. In fact, he was unanimously approved by both the Democrats and the Republicans for his current position as judge of the United States Courts of Appeal in District of Columbia. However, people argue that his position for the Supreme Court judge may have a different bar, and hence they feel it is appropriate for the incoming president next year to make the appointment and then go through the normal process. Anyway, let's talk about Srinivasan, who is known as Srinivasan. Judge Srinivasan comes from Tamil Nadu, India. He came to the United States and he studied at Stanford University. He did his undergraduate at Stanford University. Then he went on to finish his law school and MBA at Stanford University. And in 2011, Srinivasan replaced Neil Cattell as the Principal Deputy Solicitor General of the United States. Interestingly enough, he has argued before the Supreme Court on almost 25 occasions. So he is very familiar with the Supreme Court proceedings. Srinivasan is married. He has 2 children. And when Srinivasan was sworn in as the U.S. Court of Appeals judge, he took an oath on Bhagavad Gita. His most famous verdict came in 2013 when he argued for the same-sex marriage under Defense of Marriage Act or DOMA. Even though he was appointed by President Obama, he is a moderate who looks at from both Democratic and Republican point of view. As I said, Srinivasan is extremely liked by both the Democratic and the Republican parties, as reflected by the unanimous vote when he was nominated for the District Court position, which is usually a stepping stone for higher office such as a Supreme Court judge. We wish Srinivasan the best of luck if he is nominated, and we'll see how this plays out during the next several months, as there is a strong difference of opinion between the Democrats, the White House, and the Republican-controlled Congress. This is NIK NIKAM. You're watching a Triple N Talk Show, and until next time, Why? And before I go, I would like to tell you, please do download a copy of my latest book, which is Nick's Comedy Clips, which is 120 pages of clean comedy. You're looking at the life of a doctor, patients, hospital, medicine, and how we have interacted. This is like a 40-year journey in the medical field, and you will truly enjoy this. You can get a printed copy for $12.99 or a Kindle version for $3.99. Again, this is Dr. Nick Nikam. This is Triple N Talk Show, and we'll be back next time. Thank you.